would you like to talk about the challenges that you have faced while developing this facility?
Challenges are many. First is budget. These are costly equipments. Second is having a continuous manpower to operate them. Having in a place like IIT, it's difficult to have such a framework. What we wanted when we developed this program and this department is that make this accessible to our students on campus. So the 4 telescopes which are now on campus are basically mainly for the instructional purposes.
Nowadays, the entire world is fascinated by drones and their applications in day-to-day life. What is your comment on this?
Drones are like the poorer cousins of the satellites. We are working on in our lab currently, thanks to our few MS and PhD students, is working on detecting anomalies in civil structures. So these things manifest themselves in optical as well as infrared cameras, thermal cameras, and that's the part we are working on.
You have played a key role in starting India's first undergraduate and postgraduate programs in space science and engineering at IIT Indore.
The vision for Indian space research is really developing very fast. With so much of industrial potential, I think we felt there's a need to launch a new program. We believe that this program, which is initiated from IIT Indore, will provide a lot of human resources, not only to take the space program ahead, but also to take the entire space industry in the coming decade.
During our childhood, we had a dream of looking at the stars through a telescope, and you made that dream come true for the school students of Haryana.
So India has a lot of history in astronomy as well. Having an equipment like a telescope, it becomes a little bit non-trivial for every school, particularly government schools. So unless government supports, this becomes very difficult. So there have been something called Atal Tinkering Lab project going in schools, empowering schools.
The discussion with you was so interesting. There will be a huge message for the students as well as for the faculties or even the researchers who are working under this domain.